Um, Good day, everyone. I am Jihan Repeso Grisones, and I am the reporter of the topic is Zen Buddhism. What is Zen Buddhism? When we say Zen Buddhism is a school of Mahayana Buddhism that originated in China during the Tang Dynasty. It emphasized meditation, particularly Zazen, as a means of attaining enlightenment and understanding the true nature of oneself and the world. Origin of Zen Buddhism emerged from the interaction between Indian Buddhism and Chinese culture, incorporating elements of Taoism and Confucianism. This few this These fashions of different ideologies shaped Zen into a distinct spiritual path. Um, Key teaching and practice. Zen Buddhism, it emphasize the importance of mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom. Kumbaga, ang Zen Buddhism, naga-clear siya sa ato mind, na sa entero world na nakuan ni siya ngadto sa kuan ngadto siya ini na belong sa China during the Tang Dynasty. Then an practice niya ini, it encourages practitioners to live fully in the present moment and develop a deep sense of connection with themselves and the world around them. And first is, nabilong sa mga Zazen. The core practice of Zen Buddhism is Zazen, which involves sittings with an upright and relaxed postures, focusing on the breath. This practice helps cultivate a calm and clear mind free from attachment to thoughts and emotions. Ang Zazen, amo ni ditong laong ko sa iyo na nabilong siya sa yaton sa anatong mind, makler, tas yon sa China bito na ginahimo nila kumbaga yon kumbaga exercise sa ila kibali kuan yan huna-huna kumbaga yaton maglaong ang kuwans. Some Zen schools, particularly the Rinzai school, use koans, which are paradoxical questions or statements designed to provoke direct insight into one's true natures. Zen Buddhism has spread to various parts of East Asia, with each culture developing its own unique tradition. Two prominent school are ang duha niya kakuan is amoy niyan Soto Zen. Ang Soto Zen emphasizing the practice of shikantaza or just sitting where practitioners meditate without any particular goal or agenda. And ikaduha is amoy ni saan Rinzai Zen, known for its use of koans as a means of awakening. And the end is, Zen Buddhism is a mixture of Indian Mahayana Buddhism and Taoism. It began in China, spread to Korea and Japan, and became very popular in the West from the mid-20th century. Zen Buddhism is a practice worldwide and continues to evolve and adapt to new cultural contexts. It offers a path to inner peace, fulfillment, and a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. Amo ito siya ang mga culture, amo ito ang culture sa Zen Buddhism. Nalang ko sa iyo na makaka-clear siya sa mind, kumbaga sa ato nga di mag-exercise sa ilang adto iton laong na mag-focus dakaw na kibali i-relax ang imo mind. And that's all. Thank you.